else, I just wanted to let you know how I can do a quick 5-minute get ready. Usually my hair takes about 15, and then my face makeup only takes about 5 minutes. So I'll just show you exactly what I do and what I use, and just quick and easy. So I like all my makeup to fit into a small cosmetic bag that includes my brushes. I may not use the best brushes on the planet here, but it works for me. So the first thing that I usually use is actually, forget it, a primer. So I have this MAC Prep and Prime. So first you put this on your face, just because you want your makeup to stay. And I don't like using makeup brushes because I like more of a lighter foundation look. So I usually just do, I use Luminous Silk Foundation by Giorgio Armani. And she told me not to put on my fingers, but there it is. I usually just smear this all over. If you have some, so I just do one quick layer here. But then if you have blemishes to hide, like, you can use, I have a concealer. I try to use products that I usually have used for many years. So this is the CoverGirl, just because I know it works. There's no reason to mess with it if it is working. So put that on there. Make sure my under eye circles don't show. And then I use this Giorgio Armani correction because I have these blue veins that kind of pop up. So I just do a little bit here. I'm just so fair skinned that I do that. Rub that in. I'm not a makeup expert. I don't know if this is the right way to do things, but then I go in with just one more little pump foundation. I don't want a thick layer, but when you apply with your fingers, sometimes some of the product just doesn't get soaked in very well. And make sure don't forget about your neck. Okay, already looking better. And then I go in with a bronzer. I have a Hoola Benefit bronzer. I've been using that for years also. And I like these cosmetic brushes because they're just so little. It's the Eco Tools or Eco Tools. I use the sample size because I want to fit everything in one pouch. It's easy for travel, and I travel a lot, so I really want things to be easy. I don't have the capability of lugging around a whole bunch of cosmetics all the time. And if you want to keep that in your purse, you're more than welcome to. Okay, always do the neck. Gives me a little bronze. And then I go in with my eyebrows. So what I do is I have the NYX. It's kind of gross right now because the cap is off and everything, but it's the eyebrow powder from NYX, NYX. I can link everything in the description. So what I do is I use this brush I've had for so many years. It's like an angular little brush. And all you do, just fill it in. Because I have really fair eyebrows, kind of like light blonde. This just makes it easy, like really, like if you're running out the door, slide, 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 slide. I don't need to perfect every single hair, make it look like a certain way. Just do it this way, it works. Next thing I do is I go on to my eyes. So I am using Charlotte Tilbury, the classic eye powder pencil. I might want to tell you guys that I don't really love this, but it's what I have and I paid for it, so I might as well use it. Just kind of fill in my tear. Close my eyes. So it's okay because you're in a rush. You don't really, doesn't have to be perfect. And then what I do is I go in and either with your finger, I just kind of smear it to give it a smoky look. That's why it doesn't matter whether you do it right or not. And then you just take a Q-tip and clean it up. On a regular day, I usually don't use eyeshadow or anything like that. What I do is, should get an eyeshadow brush, and either in my bronzer or in my blush, I just grab, depending on what I want that day, I just grab a little pigment and just go wah 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 wah. I have deep eyes, so I kind of like go in the crease a little more, just to. And then, of course, the mascara. I have Lancome Bon Seer Big. I probably said that wrong. You know, this usually goes really well when I already have eyelash extensions in. But, you know, because of the Rona, we can't get that done, so. Oh, by the way, I do a lot of DIY stuff, like my nails. I have, these need to be redone so I can shoot a video, but I do a lot of DIY at home, tanning, hair extensions, so I could show all that to you in future videos if you like. Okay, so Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. Lip line. Oh, I forgot my blush. Okay. Lip liner. But then I fill the inside in. Kind of go. I think the best thing I ever did, this is already like 9 months out, but I got lip fillers. Absolutely love it. I'll do it again. Because I have super thin lips, like really thin. Oh, this is Estee Lauder Nude Mood. I like it. And then NARS, what is it, Orgasm Blush. I think most people have. Just and there it is, my finished makeup look. Took 5 minutes. Until next time.